Alright guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today is workout number 5 of our summertime workout series. And today we have 5 different sets of exercises, but we're just going to be repeating them 3 times. Once again, there is no clock, there is no countdown. I'll put a little percentage thingy for you guys to check out how far you progressed. We're just going to go through this as fast as we can. Remember, there are no breaks. So you guys ready to go? My glasses are adjusted. I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's get started with exercise number 1. It's going to be just 20 nice little hops into 20 jump squats, into 10 jump squats, I should have said. I don't want to scare you too much. Anyway, let's get going, guys, in 3, 2, 1, and just give me a couple hops. I'm going to do the best that I can counting here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just a few. This is just warming up the legs just a little bit. Now you guys ready to go into 10 jump squats? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and give me 20 hops again. All right, 20 or so. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do it one more time through. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's get down on the ground. We're going for 20 weighted sit-ups. I'm going to use a single dumbbell. You can use 2, you can use none. I don't care. We're just going for 25, not 20. I can speak. 1. Well, I can speak, but I can't read, I should say. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15 left. Let's go. 1, 2. If you don't have a weight, just keep those hands pointing up towards the ceiling. 3, 4, 5, 10 left. 1, 2, nice and control. 3, 4, 5, 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, flip on over. We're doing some mountain climbers. Going for 50-ish. I have to say that because my counting has been iffy. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know why I didn't do 10, but I didn't. Anyway, all right, 10 jumping, 25 jumping. This guy can't read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, on the ground. Push-up position. Try to keep those butts down and stay in a solid plank. And just extend one arm forward. 1, 2. Good plank. 3. I have no idea what mine looks like. 4, 5. Stay here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last ones. 1 and 2. And back to the top, guys. That was set number 1. We have 2 more sets left. Ready? Let's hop. Just whatever you do, just relax your legs a little bit. We'll get going soon. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 jump squats. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hop with me. 1, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. Just a few seconds. Keep moving. Keep moving. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Boom, on the ground. 25 sit-ups. Weights, no weights. Like I said, I'm gonna use a weight. You don't have to, but keep those arms pointed towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 4, 5. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. 15 left. 1. Stay with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Done. All right. 50 mountain climbers. This microphone is really irritating today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 20 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, 25 jumping jacks. You guys ready to roll? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, perfect, perfect. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground. Whew. Nice plank positions. Microphone's really irritating today. Get a little break. All right, nice plank position. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2. Keep everything tight. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. 3 more on each side. 1, 2, and 3. Hey, and I finished them this time. All right, guys, here we go. Set number 3. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work with me. 5, 6, 7. By the means, guys, if you haven't been doing jump squats, you just been doing regular squats, that's fine. Or if you're just doing this the entire time, that's perfect. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, closer to the camera. 4, fire away. Don't fall over. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Grab that dumbbell for the last time. 25 weighted sit-ups. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Strong core. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 left. Last 15 of the day, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 left. We got it now. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to go. Ready? Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Mountain climbers for the last time. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, 25 jumping jacks for the final time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. That's 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Plank position. Are you guys ready to go? And let's go. 1, 1. Try to stay still besides that arm moving. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Last one, and one on the other side. Whew. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me today for that bit after 50. If I have not introduced myself, my name is Paul, and I take you through new workouts every Monday and every Thursday for 4 years running now. Once again, thanks for joining me today. Before we go, don't forget there are links below to all the equipment that I use at home and during this workout. I do get a little bit of a kickback from you using the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra money. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the workout. If you did, subscribe, give me a big like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.